Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing a PS3 controller that isn't responding correctly on your PS3. Place your PS3 on a stable table so we can work comfortably with the PS3 controller. Make sure your PS3 is turned on and the PS3 controller is connected. If your PS3 controller is drifting or pressing buttons on its own, stay with me step by step. Start by disconnecting the PS3 controller USB cable from the PS3. Now reconnect the PS3 controller USB cable to the PS3 securely. Press the PS button on the PS3 controller to see if the PS3 recognizes it. If your PS3 still acts incorrectly, we'll perform a soft reset on the PS3 controller. Turn the PS3 controller to the back while keeping the PS3 on. Locate the tiny reset hole on the PS3 controller near the screw. Use a toothpick or pin to press into the reset hole on the PS3 controller. Hold the reset button inside the PS3 controller for 5 seconds. Release it and keep the PS3 controller still while the PS3 remains powered. Now reconnect the PS3 controller cable to the PS3 again. Press the PS button on the PS3 controller once more. If control is still unstable on the PS3, we'll clean the analog sticks on the PS3 controller. Power off the PS3 completely using the PS3 power button. Disconnect the PS3 controller from the PS3 fully. Push each analog stick on the PS3 controller in circular motion gently. This helps realign internal sensors inside the PS3 controller. Now take a cotton swab lightly damped with rubbing alcohol for the PS3 controller. Clean around the analog stick bases of the PS3 controller slowly. Rotate the sticks to expose dust trapped in the PS3 controller. Allow the PS3 controller to dry for at least 1 minute before reconnecting to the PS3. Turn the PS3 back on now. Plug the PS3 controller cable into the PS3 again. Press the PS button to pair the PS3 controller with the PS3. Move the analog sticks on the PS3 controller and test for drift on the PS3 menu. If the PS3 controller still misbehaves, we'll resync it from scratch on the PS3. On the PS3, go to Settings using any working PS3 controller. Open the Accessory Settings menu on the PS3. Select Manage Bluetooth Devices on the PS3. Highlight the malfunctioning PS3 controller on the PS3 list. Remove it from the PS3 pairing list. Power off the PS3 using the PS3 front power button again. Wait 10 seconds and power on the PS3. Now reconnect the PS3 controller via USB to the PS3. Press the PS button on the PS3 controller to re-register on the PS3. Test button presses on the PS3 interface using the PS3 controller. Move through PS3 menus slowly to confirm stability in the PS3 controller. If still drifting, the PS3 controller may have dust inside affecting the PS3 gameplay. Take compressed air and blow gently around analog sticks of the PS3 controller. Avoid shaking or tapping the PS3 controller hard. Reconnect the PS3 controller to the PS3 again after cleaning. Test the PS3 controller movements on the PS3 screen. If the PS3 controller is still faulty, battery could be weak inside the PS3 controller. Weak battery can cause unstable signals to the PS3. Plug the PS3 controller into the PS3 for at least 30 minutes to recharge. Keep the PS3 powered on while charging the PS3 controller. After charging, test the PS3 controller again on your PS3 menus. If analog movement is now stable, your PS3 gameplay should be back to normal. If not, we may need to recalibrate the PS3 controller through the PS3. Open a game on the PS3 that allows free camera movement using the PS3 controller. Slowly move sticks of the PS3 controller to each edge. Hold each direction for 1 second while the PS3 registers input. Repeat this motion to help the PS3 learn the PS3 controller range. Exit the game to the PS3 menu and check stability of the PS3 controller. If everything works now, your PS3 and PS3 controller are synced properly. You've successfully fixed your PS3 controller issue on your PS3. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes, and enjoy smooth gaming on your PS3 again.